Let's do it. Repeat after me. A loyal warrior will rarely worry while we rule. Okay, your turn. All right, now let's do it a little faster. A loyal warrior will rarely worry while we rule. Your turn. Great. Now let's do it a lot faster this time. I'm a little nervous too, but let's do it together. A loyal warrior will rarely worry while we rule. Your turn. Great. Now this time let's make us today. If you are avid English learners, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated with my future videos. As you know, I have already uploaded videos that improve your vocabulary, grammar, expressions, and also pronunciation videos like this. And at the end of this video, we will have an L and R tongue twister. Are you ready to twist your tongue more? Then let's get started. Okay, so let's start with our consonant sound first. Now to produce the sound, pull your tongue back and make it high and tight.